Hi, so now we'll look at how to talk to Symbisa from an Excel spreadsheet. Currently, Symbisa's add-in for Excel is on its development stage. It's supposed to be launched in October 2018. Therefore, we'll be using the developer's version of the Office to run Symbisa pre-release add-in. So if you want to try some tests before release, take a look at the user manual version 1.6 and follow the steps to get the Office version required and your developer's license. Okay, having Excel installed, go to Get Add-in and type AA and the numbers. Click Search, click Add. You might need to restart Excel. Then at home page find Symbisa Add-in button and click. This opens up the Add-in Navigator. Log into your account and your data is loaded from the web account. Now we can see our device in the navigation panel. In arrow down, one can see sensors data, and in the horizontal bars, more device information can be seen. Fine. Now on the cells, let's access some data of our device. Start by writing the serial number because every function requires it. Type in equal signal and Symbisa, the helper, shows us all functions available. Let's try to get temperature data. Type Symbisa get temperature and pass the serial number as a parameter and wait to load. Alright, it's simple like that. One can do the same for any other sensor. And for now that's it. Thank you for watching.